clean camp table today. And they say it's easy to set up. It's supposed to hold up to 167 pounds. So we're going to see how easy it is to do it. It comes real compact in this small bag that I really like. This is your tabletop for it. This is the bottom. It's kind of like the pop-up tent. And that's your base. And the Velcro holds the top. Alright, 4 pins go in. You now have a camp table. Pretty easy, pretty sturdy. The only thing I don't like is if you do individual ones, they're a little spongy, but if you put it over a surface, like if you're going to put a barbecue grill or something on it, it's plenty strong for that. I wouldn't want to stand on it. We won't put kids on it, change diapers or anything, but for food, play cards, games, cook on, I think this is fine. Really easy. You saw how hard it was to put up. Nope, I didn't leave the Velcro laying on the floor, I guess. Just doesn't get a whole lot simpler than that. I got it on Amazon, not affiliated with them, bought it myself. I just thought I would share because I've had a lot of tables over the years, foldable tables and card tables. They're just really bulky and hard to do something with. You take this and throw it in storage, throw it under the couch, wherever you want to put it. You see how long it takes to do it. Not a bad deal at all. Anyway, get it on Amazon. Try it out.